APR Bright Industries introduces the Electro-Hydraulic Grab, a triumph of engineering and technology. Designed for power and precision beneath the waves, this grab bucket offers unmatched durability and seamless performance for any deepwater task. Supporting your lift, whether paired with a jib crane, EOT crane, or gantry crane, its robust, self-contained electric-powered system guarantees minimal downtime and maximum efficiency. Engineered with a multi-layer, high-pressure sealing system, this grab ensures 100% waterproof protection for all internal electrical and hydraulic components. Operating via a self-contained electro-hydraulic power unit, this grab delivers optimized electrical efficiency. Built using marine-grade, high-strength alloys and advanced corrosion-resistant coatings, the grab is structured for extreme durability, resisting the corrosive effects of seawater and the abrasive wear of underwater material handling. In the demanding world of heavy material handling, APR Bright Industries stands as a beacon of cutting-edge technology, robust engineering, and unparalleled durability. We don't just manufacture grab buckets and cranes, we engineer complete, high-efficiency material handling solutions that redefine industry standards. Choose APR Bright Industries for the confidence that comes with world-class engineering and a relentless focus on quality.